Be the envy of your friends in this 2011 Nissan Tiida. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle. With low kilometres, this car will take you far and get you where you want to go. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Make less trips to the service station when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.